What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Auto Review. I am Floyd. So this is the 2024 Golf 8 GTI going for 732,900 and are looking to pay 13,606 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 264 kilometers on the clock, meaning the car it is still new. The Golf 8 GTI has a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine producing 180 kilowatts of power and 370 newton meters of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.9 seconds with top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. It has a 7-speed dual-clutch DSG automatic transmission with fuel consumption of 7.1 liters per 100 kilometers. What I love about this car is that it is still new. Even the wrap, my brother, is still okay, man. As you can see, there has small details there. It also has a orange lining down there. And I hope the original color it is still good, as the car it is still new. So there's nothing too much about this car. Even the pipes there, they are still standard. It also has a Golf 7 rims, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, man, everything on this car it is still good. It is still good, man. To me, it seems like everything is still okay as I can see it. I don't know anything about the Dekra report. So if you want to know about this car, go check the Dekra report. You will have more information about it. But yeah, man, just look at this car. At this car, it is a beast, man. It is beautiful. Even the color, the wrap, it is there. It is there, man. Everything on this car, it is still good. It also has tinted windows. When it comes to the interior, you have your LED ambient light, sports seats with leather trim and adaptive cruise control. Yeah, man, what do you think about this Golf 8 GTI? Our second car for the day is this 2022 Toyota GR Supra going for 840,900 and you're looking to pay 15,570 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 25,000 kilometers on the clock. The 2022 Toyota GR Supra has a 3-liter inline 6-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine producing 340 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.3 seconds, and top speed of 250 kilometers per hour, and an 8-speed automatic transmission. When it comes to fuel consumption, you're getting a 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers combined, with fuel capacity of 52 liters. The 2022 Supra, it is very beautiful. Everything is still attached, even the color, it is still okay, no scratches, no dent. Yeah, man, the Supra is a beast. The design is massive. As you can see down there, it has 2 horsepowers, and there's a Supra there, GR badge there, and a Toyota badge there. Yeah, man, this car, it is massive. It is massive, man. As you can see this side, yeah, man, the design of this car, yeah, well done, Toyota. Yeah, man, if you want to know a lot about this car, go to Joburg South We Buy Cars or visit them on their website. Maybe you'll find it there. But this Toyota, man, it is beautiful. Just look at the headlights there. Even the Toyota badge, it is standing there. Everything is cool, man. So when it comes to the interior, you have 2 seats, heated and power adjustable, with 8.8-inch touchscreen system with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a wireless phone charger. Yeah, man. And your steering wheel is wrapped with rubber, which is good, man. Yeah, this car is beautiful. Our next car for the day is this 2013 Porsche Panamera. It's a unique model in Panamera lineup. This Porsche is going for 492,900 and are looking to pay 9,270 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 46,000 kilometers on the clock. The Porsche has a 3-liter V6 turbocharged diesel engine producing 221 kilowatts of power and 650 newton meters of torque, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.8 seconds and top speed of 259 kilometers per hour. You also have your 7-speed PDK dual clutch automatic transmission with combined fuel consumption of 6.4 liters per 100 kilometers. The car is still good, man. Your side mirrors, they are wrapped with black. You have a tinted windows. The color is still okay, it's still white. Everything at the back is still okay. Even your horsepowers there, they're still okay. You're also having a Panamera. They're written in cursive. Yeah, man. Even the tires, as you can see there, they are still good. This car also coming with a sunroof, as you can see there. So when it comes to the interior, you have your Porsche communication management PCM system with navigation and Bluetooth connectivity. You have your leather interior, power adjustment seats, and climate control. Yeah, man. That's it about the Porsche. Yeah, this baby, it is still okay, man. It is okay with no number plate. Yeah. This is the 2018 Jaguar F-Type, going for 664,900, and are looking to pay 12,377 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 37,000 kilometers on the clock. It has a 3-liter supercharged V6 petrol engine, producing 280 kilowatts of power and 460 newton meters of torque, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.7 seconds, and top speed of 260 kilometers per hour. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission, pulling with rear wheels and fuel consumption of 9.8 combined. This car, it is scarce, you know, it is scarce, man, but it is beautiful. Everything on this car, it is still okay. The bumper, okay. The tires, okay. The lights, okay. There's no dent, there's no scratch. So yeah, man. So when it comes to the interior, you have an 8-inch touchscreen system with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and USB infotainment. Yeah, man. Everything, it is still okay, as you can see there. Yeah, it is still okay, man. The Jaguar is cool. This car, it doesn't need any introduction. We all know which car it is, this one. But this is the 2020 Ford Mustang, going for 615,900, and are looking to pay 11,493 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 29,000 kilometers on the clock. It has a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, producing 310 horsepower and 350 lb-ft with 10-speed automatic transmission, and a fuel consumption of 29 mpg with full tank capacity of 15.5 gallons. This car is still new, man. This car is still new. Everything is still okay. No scratches, no dent. Yeah, man. This car doesn't need any introduction. We all know this car. We all know. Man. This is a Ford Mustang, Buffett. This is the Ford Mustang. So this car, it is still okay. Rims, they're wrapped with black, sprayed or wrapped. So when it comes to the interior, you have your infotainment system with touchscreen display, premium leather, and climate control. Yeah, man. This one. Relax, Buffett. Relax. This car is a beast, man. Ford Mustang. Yeah. Our last car for the day is this 2021 BMW 4 Series, going for 576,900, and you're looking to pay 10,787 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 94,000 kilometers on the clock. The 4 Series has a 2-liter 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine with 48-volt mid-hybrid assistance, producing 140 kilowatts of power and 400 newton meters of torque, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 7.1 seconds, and top speed of 240 kilometers per hour. It has an 8-speed Stephonic automatic transmission, pulling with rear wheels, with combined fuel consumption of 5.2 liters per 100 kilometers. This BMW, it is still okay. As you can see, it is still new. So this car doesn't have a sunroof. So when it comes to the interior, you have your 8.8-inch touchscreen in-drive system with navigation and Bluetooth connectivity, climate control, LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors. Yeah, man, that's it about this car. This kite is beautiful. If you are still watching, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It only costs 2 seconds to do so. Thank you.